Hi guys! We are here at the Korean Cultural Center in the Philippines. This is located in Taguig City. Twice na akong nagpunta dito, so in this video, you'll see my videos from my 2 visits. I went here with friends and came here to see the endless landscape. When we registered, they informed us na we can do a tour sa ground floor, sa library, and then sa 5th floor yung endless landscape. By the way, no registration and no entrance fee nga pala dito. May free nuts na binigay sa amin when they asked us to participate dun sa isang online activity na very quick lang din naman. Mag-tour muna tayo dito sa ground floor. Here, they have some information about the hanbok, the Korean clothing, and how to wear them. At my back are some illustration about the hanbok and how to properly wear them. If you're a K-drama fan, I think you're familiar with this clothing and accessories. You normally see them in historical Korean dramas or movies. On this side naman are some information about Korean cuisines. Something that's really fun to try is the interactive hanbok photo booth. You can use this for free. You can try different hanbok in different colors, and you can also choose your skin tone, your hairstyle, and hair color. And when you're satisfied with your look, just click the take photo and a QR code will appear on the screen. Just scan the QR code and you'll be able to download your photo. You can actually do this several times if you really want to have pictures wearing different hanbok, but be mindful of other guests who also want to use the photo booth. Here you can see the history of the Korean alphabet. Another activity that you can do for free is the digital Hangul experience. You just write your name on the screen, and then you will be able to trace your Hangul name. You can repeat it if you're not satisfied with your writing, and then when you're done, you can pose for a photo with your Hangul name. This time, no need to scan, just wait for the printed copy and then you can take it home as a souvenir. Wow! Next stop is the library. Upon entering the library, you will be asked to register and leave your bag in the shelf. So what did we do in the library? Flip through a magazine. Aside from the books and magazines, we also found CDs, DVDs of old Korean movies and dramas. Look, you can learn Korean with BTS. Not just one book, but 4 books. We also found some K-pop CDs here. Here's a portion of the library dedicated for children's books. We just took some pictures here. Going up to the 5th floor now. Ito yung elevator na nakita natin sa isang music video ng SB19 singing Go Up. Actually, the whole music video was shot here in this building.
It's the cutest elevator. Cute.
Click the link in the description box so you can watch the music video. It's really nice. Now we're at the 5th floor. Dito na yung endless landscape. Outside the hall are some information about Endless Landscape. This is to celebrate the 75 years of friendship of Korea and Philippines. Pasok na tayo and let's see what's inside the Endless Landscape. Pagpasok talagang napawaw kami. Ang ganda talaga ng exhibit na to. Enjoy the next few minutes as I share some of my videos from the endless landscape. The Endless Landscape will run until June 29, so there's still time to visit. They're open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. only. I recommend visiting on a weekday so that it's not crowded inside the hall. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Thanks so much and God bless. Bye!